The topic is absolute references. We need to use absolute reference and we always need to use the same cell after we copy-paste down a formula. For example, this case is about calculating the amount of money for the ticket sold. So the formula will be just multiplying that ticket sold times its corresponding price, the unit price, which is in B10. But when we drag it down, then we realize that there are some mistakes. And the reason is, the first one is correct, of course. We're multiplying the ticket sold times its price. But the next one, we are multiplying the ticket sold, it's correct, but now times the cell below, which is empty, so the result is incorrect. And even worse, the next one, because we're multiplying the ticket sold, which is correct, times the following cell, which contains a word, and then the result is an error. So we need to fix this mistake by using absolute reference. Then the way to correct it is just multiplying the ticket sold times the price. This is an outer cell, outer from the information table, and then we use money symbol by pressing the key F4, or money. Now when we drag it down, the results are correct. So every time that I am multiplying the ticket sold times B10, it's always times B10 because it's the price of the ticket. When we need to use the formula for weight average and we have to use the percentages above the table, then the way to do it correctly is just by using absolute reference. In this case, equal, and then I multiply the grade of the first period times its corresponding weight, and F4. This is just for the first period. Then for the second period, I need to add the grade of the second period times its corresponding weight, F4. So every time that I copy paste it down, it's gonna be by the same percentage. Then the grade of the third period times its corresponding percentage, F4. Plus, finally, the project grade times its corresponding percentage, F4, and I close the parentheses. And remember, a weight average characteristic is that the sum of all the weights is always 100. And when I drag it down, then it's correct because it's always times the absolute reference percentages above the table.